Hello, how you doing? Look, we're going to make this coleslaw today, or slaw, whatever you call that. A kind of rainbow effect, a few different things in there. We're going to make a very simple mayo, lemon, black pepper dressing for it. It's delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so what we have here is the following. I've got red cabbage and white cabbage. I've shredded that, about 3 cups each. 1 cup carrot. I've cut them like that. You can grate it if you want, but I kind of like the chunkiness in there. Bell pepper red, 1 cup, and half a cup of onion. So I've got there 2 cups of mayonnaise. I like to use Hellmann's, not endorsing it in that way, but I think it's pretty good. Black pepper. I'm not adding salt to this. I'm going to add quite a bit of black pepper actually. I'm not adding salt because I find the mayo salty enough, but if you want, you can do so. Also, I've got the juice of 2 lemons and the zest. You know, I grated the skin off of that. A little bit of garlic maybe if you want, but I'm going to miss that today. I'm going to mix this in to get it nice and smooth, and then very simply what we're going to do is we're going to get that onto our rainbow veg. So a nice lemony, peppery mayo that we're now going to just mix in. Really fabulous, love that one. Lemon, pepper, mayo, rainbow slaw. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. See you soon. Lots of love.